To cut an angled paver, measure both sides of the space where the paver will go, then transfer the measurements onto the paver. Connect the marks with a straight edge and pencil. Make sure to use a lead pencil instead of a marker or chalk so that the lines will wash off. Once that's done, cut the paver along your line, but make sure to cut on the correct side of the line. If you place the blade directly over the line or on the wrong side of the line, the cut will be too small. Also remember to cut a little smaller than the actual measurement if you want to add sand in the joint. The amount of adjustment in your measurement should be the same as your paver joint, so all the lines match. And the standard joint size we use is 1/16 to 3/16 of an inch. If you measured, marked, and cut the paver correctly, it should drop into the space without needing to be banged or wiggled in. Cutting really small slivers of paver is done exactly the same way. Measure the space and transfer your marks onto the paver. Then connect the marks and make the cut. My pavers have a 3/16 inch gap, so I reduced my measurement by 3/16 of an inch to create a sand joint between the wood and the paver. To cut the pavers, I'm using a circular saw with a 7-inch diamond blade designed to dry cut masonry. These work great for smaller DIY projects but aren't the best choice for larger patios. If you need to make lots of cuts, I'd use a wet saw instead. Once the cut is done, drop the paver in place and check the gaps to make sure you left enough space for joint sand. Cutting large angled pavers is exactly the same as smaller brick sizes. Measure both sides of the space, then transfer your measurements to the paver, then connect the marks with a straight line and make the cut. Make sure when you transfer the measurements that you mark the correct side of the paver. This is really important if the cut is on an angle like it is here. Once the cut is finished, drop it in place and check the gap sizes to make sure there's enough room for sand. Then keep measuring, marking, cutting, and installing until all your angled pavers are installed.